If you've been wondering when Tesla would start selling its electric pickup truck, dubbed the Cybertruck, you're not alone. The Cybertruck was first shown in 2019 and was supposed to be released in 2021. Delays aren't uncommon for Tesla, and when you include a global epidemic and a global parts scarcity, it's not surprising that Cybertruck didn't arrive on time. When Tesla CEO Elon Musk acknowledged the Cybertruck delay, he allegedly told staff that manufacturing would begin near the end of 2022. Tesla appears to be on schedule to begin manufacturing then, as Musk has recently revealed new information about when Tesla plans to begin selling Cybertruck. Welcome to Tesla Today. Here, we talk about the latest news and the things Tesla is doing to transition the world to sustainable energy. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. If you're new here and like the content we put out, please subscribe and like our videos. It encourages us to make more. Tesla recently finished its Cyber Rodeo activities. While it wasn't very informative and there are still some concerns, we'll keep those for another video so we can all speak about what we want to hear about, which is Cybertruck. Elon Musk stated over the weekend at Tesla's Cyber Rodeo in Austin, Texas, the site of the company's new manufacturing facility, that Cybertruck production will begin in 2023. Regarding the presentation, they double down on the notion that the Cybertruck is coming and that they're creating it once the Model Y ramps up to 500,000 cars a year at Giga Texas, and then that's next on the list. We aren't sure whether to believe them when they say the Cybertruck, Semi, and Roadster will be released in 2023. But we've been told similar things in the past by the same people, so we'll have to wait and see what actually happens. Nonetheless, they didn't want to give us too many new updates on the truck. The Cybertruck made this unexpected debut after Musk and the firm showcased the first Tesla Model Y SUV produced at the Austin facility. Elon Musk provided an update after Cybertruck made an unexpected cameo at the end of Tesla's Cyber Rodeo. Musk stated, quote, "We can't wait to build this here. Sorry for the delay. But you're going to have this next year, and it's really going to be great." End of quote. After the obligatory comments about shattering the electric pickup's glass again, the dual-reviewed adjustments made since the Cybertruck's memorable debut. The vehicle shown in Texas was much more evolved than the one shown in 2019. Much of the newness was small but crucial to the Cybertruck's production readiness and roadworthiness, and builds on prior advances seen on other prototypes, but there is still work to be done. Here's a look at what's new and different on the newest Tesla Cybertruck. The initial prototype lacked a windshield wiper and side mirrors, which is usual on concept cars that aren't meant to be driven on public roads. For years, car designers have imagined a future in which side mirrors are replaced by cameras, allowing for a cleaner design and greater aerodynamics. Still, this ideal has collided with safety authorities who aren't quite ready for it yet. Tesla wants to launch the Cybertruck without side mirrors and has engineered them to be simple to remove if rules change to enable cameras instead of mirrors. The previous mirrors we've seen on the Cybertruck haven't been clear since they were captured on hazy, distant footage. So here is the first excellent, up-close look at the elephant ears. We say this because, well, their big size is unexpected. Unless you count the semi-truck, this is probably the largest mirror seen so far on a Tesla. Still, it makes sense because it's a bigger truck and people will use it for work. So you'd have pretty damned good visibility, despite Elon's claim that they want to make it very easy to take off. From another perspective, their blocky design increases frontal area, which increases aerodynamic drag, which is the enemy of any range-conscious EV. In comparison, notice how smooth the mirrors on other Tesla models are. Windscreen wiper. What looks like a single giant windshield wiper is among the new improvements that Cybertruck didn't have the last time we saw it. The big front windshield necessitates an equally massive windshield wiper, which we get a closer look at in these leaked photographs. One massive blade on the driver's side of the glass that appears to sweep across the whole windshield in one long sweep. Tesla has been working on its own electromagnetic wiper system, which is said to be included in the Cybertruck. While we're on the subject of the windscreen, it now appears to have a tiny bend to it, as shown in the drone footage, whereas the previous prototype was absolutely flat. The LED light strip at the top of the windshield is not visible in either the new shot or the drone footage. Perhaps it has been relocated. Many people have reacted to this new feature by describing it as super weird. Well, I personally find it ugly, and like many others, I hope they can work on it again to improve its aesthetics. The wheel and tires. The rims are possibly the most noticeable difference that we haven't seen previously. The wheels appeared different in the recent drone footage of the Cybertruck moving around Tesla's test track in Fremont than they do in these photographs today. And those wheels, in turn, differed from the initial prototype, which included a massive plastic wheel cover that improved vehicle aerodynamics while also adding to the car's blocky and aggressive appearance. These new rims resemble the Model 3 regular wheels with the aero covers removed. When you zoom in on the new images, we see that the tires have the same pattern as the Cybertruck prototype, with 7 spokes on the tire sidewall correlating to the 7 ridges on the original prototype wheel covers. As a result, we assume that these rims have always been hidden behind the wheel covers and that the Cybertruck will feature detachable wheel covers like the Model 3 and Model Y base wheels. The larger bumpers and reworked headlights. The front end of the original prototype was more angular, with the front edge above the headlights jutting out beyond the bumper. Many people instantly pointed out that this was a major no-no because safety standards mandate that cars be constructed to reduce pedestrian damage in an accident, which a high sharp bumper would most likely not achieve. The top edge of the headlights appears to have been pushed back significantly in these new shots, while the plastic bumper beneath has been made wider with a larger air intake and juts out a bit farther. Again, it might be a matter of perception. But if a modification was made, it was most likely done to get closer to satisfying pedestrian safety regulations. However, in another leaked walk-around video, it appears that while the lower bumper area has been increased in size, the headlight still protrudes beyond the plane of the bumper. As a result, we expect this section to be redesigned before the car is homologated. Now our take. With the addition of mirrors and a windshield wiper, as well as what seems to be bumper revisions, this car is moving closer to being real. Removable wheel covers will be welcomed by many since some believe the Model 3 wheels look better without the aerodynamic coverings. Not only do they look better with the aero covers, but the car performs better with them on. However, Cybertruck's basic design remains unchanged. Those waiting for this truck for years will be relieved to learn that the concept's original form has been mostly preserved. But for me, it's still hideous. But that's just my opinion, and I'm not in the market for one. Now for those who have been waiting for the Cybertruck, Musk did not provide any details on when we would be able to purchase one of these electric vehicles. Of course, there's always the possibility that Cybertruck may be delayed further. But considering that Tesla's competitors are pressing forward with their own electric pickups, Musk and Tesla will do all in their ability to keep to that 2023 release date. Tell us below what you think of the Cybertruck's looks, ugly or futuristic. If you liked this video, hit the like button and send us your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.